here we go. So I got some cut your own length chromoly push rods, but likely with the rockers and this, they're going to be full length just to make sure that it works. So I probably won't have to cut anything because this is a good 1/8 of an inch. So this is the rod guide because we got some serious pressure going on. So first thing we gotta do is get these aluminum retainers. I got some of these fancy ones. We'll get the springs out and then we'll cut some pockets and should be good to go. So basically we're gonna cut these spring pockets. As you can see, they're up quite a bit from flush. I'm just gonna try to make them flush with the deck here. See what that does. Right in there, nice and slow. Yeah, you can see that, but the thing works pretty damn good. Really surprised. It cuts in there real nice. So I did is I just kind of went flush on both of them with the deck. I mean, it took like an 1/8 of an inch off, or 1/16 maybe. So just to be safe, I'm just going to go flat like that. Should be good to go. They're big open springs. So I really don't think that they're going to have bind. You're just basically cutting a pocket to keep it in place. You know, it's not like the dual valve springs. So these are literally cost more than their weight in gold. So I think where I left off was, holy shit, are these expensive? Just, wow, can't cost that much to make them. Holy crap, they are pretty. I got the fancy valve cover. It's going to be pretty sweet. Dugga there, dugga there. We're lash capped out. These push rods, man, I'm just going to put them together. The length of these things, I don't know if we're going to need to cut them at all. We're going to need them a little longer. So we got them in a good thing because, man, those push rods with the space from that guide, they got to be pretty freaking long. And they're on an angle, which they're supposed to be flat, but with that guide, it's just not going to happen. There's going to be an angle on it. So now we got the head torqued. EC says to put them at 0.05 until you break it in and then relash. 3, 5, 4, 5. I think we're looking good. Now we've got our great big badass Mr. Valve cover to put on there. So here's my pump carb assembly. That's going to go right on there. Okay. I put the pump carb back on, but this time I'm going to pull up with it. That's what the cool kids do. Well, there she is. We switched to pump carb. We got the 1-to-3 ratio rockers in there. Some heavy duty springs. The Mr. Valve cover. We got our one-way valve, our catch can. Now we're just working on the kill switch. But I don't think you guys need to watch that. There's plenty of videos on that. Well, thanks for watching.